Mad? Don't answer that. What's up, gentlemen? So today's video falls under the category of Say What? Because today I'm going over 10 lies that those sassy, spicy, scandalous senoritas tell us that we as dudes believe. Before we get started, you gotta promise me that you don't get all like super pissed off and go yell at your spicy senorita, because the truth is, these women are telling us these lies to protect our tender, fragile feelings. Just want to crush and damage our fragile little ego that is fragile and little. Gentlemen, if you promise and agree, drop me one of these to be like, yo, Alpha, my ego indeed may be fragile, but I can handle the truth. Number one, I've never done this before. First, you're like, yes, jackpot! Then you start doing your thing. Hold up, if you've never done that before, why are you so damn good at it? Which brings us to the second biggest lie that women tell us men. I've only been with fill in the blank dudes. Whenever a woman tells you she's been with like X number of dudes, you can safely multiply that number by 3. Promise not to get pissed. I'm just letting you know the truth of the situation, because there is a humongous double standard in our society. As dudes, we like to brag and boast about our sexual conquest. Women, on the other hand, are like, yo, I can't really talk about it, or I don't want somebody to think that I'm some type of sassy slut. It means the chances are she is going to drastically play down or reduce the amount of people that she calls friends. Friend. He's just a friend, which brings us to number 3. Gentlemen, the truth is, if she ever tells you he's just a friend, chances are that friend is absolutely like a strong, strapping stud muffin, and you're like, damn, he's pretty good looking. You've never like done that? Yes, she has. Calm down. This isn't that big of a deal, gentlemen. I just feel it's my job and my obligation to let you know the real situation with those spicy senoritas, which brings me to number 4. I don't care how much money he makes, loosely translates to his ass better have a job. You don't need to be killing it and driving a Lambo to be attractive to those spicy senoritas. You just gotta get a job. You just gotta make sure that you've got a goal, a vision of your career trajectory or path that does not include sitting on your parents' sofa smoking weed. You may be one charming, sexy son of a bitch, but it's gonna get real old if she's gotta constantly be paying and picking your ass up. Number 5, I don't care what he looks like. You don't care if I dress like crap. And you don't care if my hair's greasy, oily, and has a bunch of dandruff flakes. And you don't care if I'm an ungroomed savage. Oh, okay, I understand you're lying, gentlemen. The fact is, not only does she want your ass to dress well so you're not embarrassing her when you walk into a party holding her hand, she wants your hair game to be strong, and she wants your grooming routine to hit that link down below and go check out today's video sponsor, Dollar Shave Club. Gentlemen, the quickest and easiest way for you to look amazing, be well groomed, and satisfy those spicy senoritas is to hit that link down below and go grab the ultimate, not like average, ultimate shave starter set for $5. $5 freaking dollars, gentlemen. It is the biggest grooming no-brainer in the history of your handsome, soon-to-be more handsome face. Guys, there's a link down below, dollarshaveclub.com/alpha. If you go through our link for $5, you are going to get this, the ultimate shave starter set, which comes with a super sexy executive handle. This bad boy is comfortable. It's also super sturdy. You're gonna get a pack of badass, super amazing blades. Also gonna get a 1-ounce tube of the Dr. Carver's Prep Scrub. This stuff is ridiculous. And the way that it works, guys, before you shave, it's a mild exfoliant, right? Little bit in your hand, and you rub it all over your face. And what happens, this actually helps remove dead skin and also releases trapped hairs. Boom, Dr. Carver's Shave Butter. This is the best in the business. Guys, honestly, if you have not tried this, it is like a game changer. Not only is it gonna leave your skin super hydrated after the shave, it's incredibly cool because it's translucent. You can actually see what you're shaving so you don't jack up your lines. And then after that, you're going to want to use the 1-ounce tube of the Dr. Carver's Post-Shave Dew. After you shave, the post-shave dew is going to help replenish and replace a lot of the nutrients and leave your skin hydrated and feeling amazing. Guys, the bottom line is this. Dollar Shave Club is the best in terms of men's grooming. They have everything, not just incredible shave products. They've got products for your hair, for your skin, for your body, for your teeth, for your pits, and even that cute little butt of yours, gentlemen. The fact is, they've got everything that a well-groomed gentleman needs to look and feel amazing. Literally, if you are not using Dollar Shave Club, your girl's probably going to break up with you because she's like, yo, he's not that smart. He's also going to be broke because he's wasting all sorts of money on super overpriced blades. Gentlemen, the fact is, Dollar Shave Club is the best bang for your grooming buck, period. And right now, if you hit that link down below, you're going to get the ultimate shave starter set for $5 freaking dollars. After that, regular size product shipped directly to you at regular price. So that incredible Dollar Shave Club deal, that is the good news. Now back to the bad news and number 6. I promise I won't get mad. Oh, okay, you're not gonna get mad. You're just gonna make me sleep on the couch and not give me nookie for a month? Let me give you some scenarios where this might actually come up. Oh my God, Brian, don't you think Brenda, my best friend, is super sexy? Seriously, you can tell me. I won't get mad. Well, if you won't get mad, okay, hell yeah, she is. Or there's always, Brian, do these jeans make me look fat? You can tell me. I promise not to get mad. Hell yeah! Like, yes! And let's not forget, oh my God, Brian, look what I got you. Isn't it great? I bought one for myself too. We can go as twinsies. Do you love it or do you hate it? I won't get mad. I would not be caught dead wearing that. Instead, I love it. Number 7 is, I don't need a ring as long as we're together. That's what's important. T-minus 6 months until she's cheating on you with Brad. Women say this because they don't want to freak us dudes out, right? They don't want to put the pressure on too strong. But the truth is, if she ever says this, the pressure is on. The clock is ticking. She's not going to wait around forever for your sorry ass to be like, yo, will you marry me? I'm not saying that you should rush things or propose to somebody that you're not ready to or interested in marrying, but I'm just letting you know the facts and reality of the lying situation. 8th lie that women tell that we believe is, I won't tell anybody. Except my 3 best friends. And Mom. And Sheila. And Janice. Yep. Definitely gotta tell Janice. You can always assume that if something happens, whether or not it's great or it's bad or it's whatever, even if you're like, yo, baby, please don't tell anybody, it would make me like really upset and I'd be super embarrassed. And she's gonna be like, don't worry, sweetness, I won't. The fact is, she is and she will. And 9th lie a woman tells a dude that dudes believe for some reason is, my phone's about to die, which means I don't want to talk to you anymore right now. If you do continue to text, I'm not going to answer, and that's the reason. It's not that I don't want to, which is really the reason I'm not texting. It's because my phone is about to die. Gentlemen, this is the oldest trick in the book. You've used it, I've used it, we've all used it, so is she. And last, but certainly not least, number 10. Oh no, please have mercy right there. Yes, please, oh my God. Loosely translated into I want to go eat some pizza and watch the Kardashians. And that's it, gentlemen. The fact is, spicy senoritas are a lot of things. Mystical, magical, curious creatures, but they also are deceptively, like, scandalous from time to time. They are going to be telling us lies because as dudes, we are fragile. Our egos are like a tender little snowflake that is about to evaporate if we finally find out the reality of the situation, which she does not want to tell us.